So hey guys, for today's video, we're going to be unboxing the Forrest Gump from Best Buy. I was lucky enough to be able to get this a couple days early since I pre-ordered. And this is the Blu-ray with the digital. Unfortunately, it's not the 4K. But as you can see, it has 3 hours special features. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this. This one cost me, I believe, $12.99. It's an older movie, so it's not too bad. And I believe this actual steelbook was a UK release, because I've seen this one, this color at least. But anyway, this is all gonna be a matte finish, and then with Forrest, and then the bench is kind of like a glossy. And then there's no embossing or debossing anywhere, as you can see that. Here is the back, box of chocolates. Once again, this is the glossy part, and this is a matte type. And then there we have the spine. And let's see, we're gonna have I guess, no art on the inside, which is unfortunate. And you have the Blu-ray disc. And then the special features Blu-ray disc. Nothing on the inside, like I said. I'll probably open this up and customize it. And then there's the full artwork of the steelbook. But yeah guys, thanks for watching.